Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. In this video, I'll talk about crash course which we have launched for CLAT and MH Law CT 2019. So agenda of this crash course is nothing but to help all the aspirant to get into the NLUs and GLC Mumbai College. Now everyone is settled because 12th board is about to over for some of the aspirant, but for some of the people still it is going on. So this crash course will be proper classroom batch and it will be based in Mumbai. So which is starting from 18th of March. So if you want to be part of this batch, do register before 15th of March guys. If you wanted to join Mumbai Borivali Center, you can call on this number, but if you wanted to join Mumbai Dadar Center, you can call on this number. So if you are preparing for CLAT or CET, take your admission your seat guys for the crash course. Okay, so these are the some of the top colleges list I am giving you. Through CLAT you will be getting NLUs Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Bhopal, Jodhpur, Gandhinagar, Mumbai and other NLUs. And through CET, Mumbai GLC College, ILS Pune, Advani, Jitendra Chauhan, KC Rizvi, Praveen Gandhi and Ambedkar. There are some more colleges, but these are some of the top colleges through CET. So please pause the video and jot down this chart guys and stick on the wall where you study. So this will give you the motivation that you wanted to get into the respective college. And accordingly you will start your preparation. You will surprised to know people are traveling from so far to join this crash course. People are traveling from Navi Mumbai, Thane, Pune, Nashik, Jalgaon, Aurangabad, Sangli, Bhiwandi, Panvel, Nagpur. Even though people are joining from the Gujarat state also, Surat, Vapi, Vadodara, Ahmedabad. Yesterday I got a call from Delhi also. People are coming from Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad also. This shows how desperately people wanted to get into the top colleges for their law program. Okay, so at Maneuver we go step by step preparation. Step 1 is what you have to watch video lectures before you come for the classroom session. So step 2 is about the classroom. For example, if you are coming for the class, let's say reasoning, coding and decoding. So before you come for this classroom session of coding decoding, you have to watch video lecture which is available on your dashboard. So once you enroll, you will be getting the access of the dashboard, online dashboard. After done with the classroom session, you will pick your Maneuver book and in each topic there are the 50 questions given to you. You have to practice all those questions which cover all types of the question from the respective topic. And step 4 is about the topic wise test. So the moment you have watched video lecture, you have attended classroom lectures, you have practiced from the book. Now it is time for the test. So you will write the topic test, you will understand how much you know that topic and how much extra preparation you have to do further for that particular topic. And step 5 is about the extra mile preparation, which is live webinar. So these are the 5 steps which will be adhering. So the moment you are taking your enrollment, ask counselor about your video lectures access, which is your dashboard access, and mock test access immediately. So within 24 to 48 hours your course will get activated, online dashboard and mock test both. Okay, so those who are planning to join for this crash course, please pause the video and jot down this timetable guys. This is the first 10 days timetable I am giving you. Further timetable you will be notified once batch will get started. For example, day 1 pre-work is given. You have to watch video lecture from dashboard. In classroom, speed maths lecture and number and letter series, which will be part of maths and reasoning. Likewise, all 10 days pre-timetable is given to you. Please make the note of this guys. Also do collect your scholarship card guys once you get enrollment. So if you convert top colleges for your law program, either some of the top NLUs and GLC Mumbai, you will be getting 50% cashback. For more detail, kindly visit the center and counselor will tell you about it. So guys, this is the time you have to get ready for the war, and war is nothing but to get into the top law college for your law program. And if you wanted to get into the top law colleges guys, only solution is CLAT score and CET score. If you wanted to get into the GLC Mumbai or ILS Pune or other law colleges, so you have to score high in CET. For NLEs, you have to well perform in your CLAT. So in CLAT, I always say 150 marks need to target out of 200, and in CET 120 marks you have to target out of 150. It is very true, a goal without a plan is just a wish. If you wanted to score good marks in your law entrance, so you need to have a proper planning. Without planning you cannot hit good score guys. And none of the coaching institute, I bet you, talk about the planning part. They just start their coaching and they are in the mindset to finish your syllabus. So at Maneuver we first talk about the planning, how we will be helping you to prepare the exam and to crack the exam. Then we start the preparation. In our first session only you will get the entire planning part, and further it is basic, advanced and shortcut learning. Alright, so if you wanted to join Mumbai Borivali Center, you can call on 9076424208. But if you want to join Mumbai Dadar Center, you can call on 730436682 or 81. But if you are not based in Mumbai, Maharashtra or nearby the state, you can go for the online program. Just visit www.menuedu.com website. For any assistance, you can call on this number. Do hit the subscribe button guys if you want to see more video like this, and if you like this video, hit on the like button. Do share this video to all your friends who are preparing for CLAT or Law CT, so that they should also be benefited this video and they can join this crash course. All the best and thank you.